So last week, when I posted a video about MATLAB Plot works, I actually using only one main CPP file. So this is the old file that I have. So today, I actually fix my code. I split my code into different header files, and it's actually working. So for me to be able to access everything, I have to make sure I have put it in public, static, and then I also put extern. So it's like the variable can be accessed globally. And then from there, when I want to use it in different file, I have to put constant data dot dot or something like that. And for wrote the data, I have to do that as well. So that's actually the key. But actually, the way I code it, it's so different to the previous code. So I have to redo them. I still need to fix the values because I delete some of the value by accident. So everything now is getting back to zero for some reason. I just need to press run, and then I'm waiting for the MATLAB file to pop. So it pops, and then see, it is working. So I'm quite proud. This is really hard for me to do it. You can see I have different header files. But anyway, I'm happy. And Merry Christmas. Have a good holiday. Bye.